everybody.
Hi.
We miss you all. We're having a really great time together. Wish everyone could have been together. And we had a lot of really great food, so we're all overly full. And we should send you some in the mail.
Send us your
We're
address.
having a really good time. Wish everyone could have been here. Love you.
All right, Joni,
okay.
come here.
Say
Joan,
something
oh,
really
okay, there's Joel.
She's hiding. All right, $10 if you can guess what's in the cup.
Red Solo Cup.
Yeah, red solo. Hello. It's the awkward camera.
Joan, I'm recording you in the mirror over here. Okay.
Hi
Okay.
everyone, we miss you. I think lots more family here, but we've had a great time. And we think of all of you and pray for you, especially Brenda and this new little one on its way.
Hopefully soon.
Okay. Behind the book is an unknown visitor. We don't know who walked in. There she is. Okay. Hey, Ann, can you say hi? No, too busy right now. We're coloring. Okay. Hey, Steve, you want to say hi to anybody?
Say hi everyone.
Hello everyone. Sorry you couldn't be here, but we're glad that we can at least get in touch with you this way.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, there's the host over there.
I don't know what to say.
Hello. Sorry you couldn't be here. Bob, I hope you feel better.
Brandon,
Brandon and Val,
you.
mad at you.
Yeah, Brenda, you have a valid excuse. Kristen, your excuse is okay too. I guess when you're giving birth,
Yes.
you can't also come to reunion, but we wish we could see everybody.
Send us a picture, Brenda, as soon as.
And
And
Kristen.
Kristen.
And Kristen, yeah.
Yeah. Good duet.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Who'd we miss?
Some people ran out of the room.
Okay.
Yeah, they went that way.
Namely, Melissa.
Here.
Melissa.
Record me, would you? It's still going. All right, who do you want to remember here? Mark, we know you're a little far away. Hey, Mark, hi. Say hi to everybody in Thailand and Bob and the girls. They all mentioned some of the pregnant ladies. We forgot Holly and April and Jamie and all your kids.
I mean,
That's true.
So we hope you guys are well. We miss you and love you. Hope you can be here. And Kristen, we mentioned you and Brandon and Val. Are we forgetting anybody? Reese, who couldn't be here.
And Bethany.
And Bethany. So we hope you guys all feel like we're thinking of you.
Sadie.
And
David.
Steve. Yep. Okay. So this is all hello greeting to everybody. Love you.
We love
Thanks.
you.
Love you.
Okay.